So this is how we can share presentation through the iPad in a Teams. Let me show you how it works and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course you can join any meeting either created by yourself or someone else's, whatever. You click on join now, and the way that it works is that you will of course have the ability to share whatever, but the option to share the screen is when you click on the button below, which is like the arrow pointing up. You have to click on that within a rectangle, and then you can of course share photo and video if you want to do that. But in order to present something, you have to share the screen. So when you tap on this, it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to include the audio or not. That's kind of important to decide. So, go with whichever option you want. But then you can see that it shows us the iPad OS interface of the broadcast window, which we need to just confirm. You can see that it's just being broadcasted to this app. So you can just click on start. The countdown will begin. So you'll see like the 3, 2, 1, and then everything that's happening on the screen will be shared with everyone in the meeting. So that means that you can leave the meetings app. It's not going to cancel the meeting, but then you can just get inside of the applications that you need. For example, you'll go to your presentation tool like PowerPoint, or you can go to the whiteboard or whatever and just share whatever is happening on your screen with everybody in the Teams meeting. So that is how you can do this. I really hope I could quickly help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.